welcome to day 2. Today we are working on the garden again. That's pretty much what I'm going to be doing this whole week. Carry on with the job that I was doing yesterday, de-weeding that bed. Then we're going to measure, make some beds for some veggies, and I'm pretty much going to de-weed the whole garden. I guess you'll come along with me for the day and see what I do. I'm using a weed whacker for the first time. Let's go.
Your mum. You're so funny. Oh, your mama. Yeah, she's mama. You're my new mama.
Welcome to day 3. Today we are building the veggie boxes. Tasman's gone and gotten some wood. I'm also going to do some weed whacking, but I'm so excited. I'm going to use that angle grinder for the first time. So hopefully I don't cut off my fingers, but this is the wood. We got just these planks to kind of make the corners, and then these long slats to make the boxes. I'm gonna make 3 boxes over there, leave this open, and then make 3 boxes over there. So I'm pretty excited to see how it turns out. Okay, so all the wood is cut for making the boxes. I'm super tired, but that is that. And then next we have to remove these plants so that we can actually build the boxes in there, get weed mat, and put that black plastic in the boxes, and then put soil in. And then we can start planting. Very exciting, long day of work, but I'm feeling good. I'm making dinner. I am going to make peanut butter rice noodles with some miso and some soy sauce. So the peanut butter sauce is done. I'm toasting some sesame seeds. Got some rice noodles cooking. Just put them in the bowls and then garnish with some chopped leeks. Good morning, actually good afternoon. I've just been working all morning in the garden and it is freezing. I've put all my warm clothing in the wash, so I am a bit cold. Let me show you what I've done. I have a bit of a mask line there. because I've been using the weed whacker, or the strimmer as some people would say. So I have been clearing out this field the whole day. I've just been weed whacking all the edges, cutting the grass, everything like that. So that's what I've been doing. And then I need to kind of clean up all this loose grass everywhere, kind of clean up the beds. But I think I'm going to have some tea first because I'm freezing, and then I'll get back to work. I'm also leaving in 2 days. Today is Sunday and I'm leaving on Tuesday at 5 a.m. So I have to get a lot done before then. But yeah, it just seems to be getting colder. So today has been a pretty chill day. I did some strimming and then we went to the vet. We took one of the dogs and then we spent the day cooking because tonight we're having a dinner party. This is my outfit. Just a little dress with some Converse. And yeah, they've arrived, so I'm going to quickly run down and hopefully I'll film a little bit of the party, but I don't want to obviously invade other people's privacy. So if I don't get anything, it's just because, you know, I don't want to make them feel weird. Had a pretty good day. I'm busy making some beetroot fritters because we're having another dinner party tonight and they smell fantastic. That's kind of the plan for tonight, and then tomorrow I have to just do some gardening. I need to pack my bag, pack all this laundry that I've washed today. Tuesday I leave early in the morning, 5 a.m. And then my flight is at, I think it's 5 to 9, but I need to take a bus and a train, so just leaving really early so I don't miss it. And then, yeah, we're making our way to Nice, so you will see that in the next video.
Oui, j'en ai bien besoin.
On m'a fait une petite seconde.
Okay, I've just finished the fence. We've just kind of barricaded a bit until she builds a wall, just because the dogs keep getting out. So yeah, just doubled up some fence here, pinned it all down. Excuse my plaster, I cut myself earlier and working in the garden has kind of ripped it apart. And we've put some rocks and some wood where they usually get out. So yeah, hopefully that works.
That's quite a lot to give, isn't it? So we could just do it like that.
Oh, this will be the bottom here. Okay, first veggie box is built and installed. So excited. Unfortunately, I won't have time to do the other two, but I've cut all the wood and everything, so it's much easier to just do. But that's it. Oh, I'm so excited. It looks great. I have to still knock it in and put black plastic in and fill it with soil, but I think it's going to completely transform this space. I've just finished constructing my first veggie box, and it was so much fun to see something that I've mapped out and measured and did all the work for, cut the wood, and finally see a semi-end result. Unfortunately, I am leaving before I get to finish the whole project, but I will definitely be back, and it was so much fun. I really enjoyed it here. The family is amazing. I'm chilling with the dogs, and then I'm going to go clean up all the work from today and then cook lettuce wraps for dinner for the family. It's one of my favorite things to eat and very typical my type of cooking. So yeah, that's going to be the rest of the evening.
Hold on tighter to you. When all this is through.